Hello friends, welcome to my channel Power of AEM. In this video, we are talking about service and in the service, how we can use the domain settings and mappings. The domain settings and mappings, how we need to use that in order to provide a meaningful name of your website that could be binded with your AEM published here. We can manage the all brandings here as we need to manage overall websites, and websites could be different with different business units. As that is Adobe managed environment, so we need to provide these certificates. So all the sites could be served through HTTPS protocol. What we are going to do in this, we are going to understand how you can add the domain name, the different DNS that you can add, how you can enable the SSL certificate, and how you can map overall stuff. These activities are more related to your infra team or the platform management team. Important notes that we need to look at when we are doing the configuration. No code changes are required related to the domain mapping configuration. And once we are done with that, it is applicable to your particular environment and particular domain. And that is just related to your specific environment only. It means you can add multiple domains on your different environment. As we are having multiple environments like dev, stage, production, you can create different domains for that. So let's quickly go on the screen and see how we can do the different domain related configurations. On the left hand side under the service section, you can first notice there is a domain settings. In the domain settings, you just need to add which domain you want to introduce. And once that is available for you, the entry will be uh, listed down in this section, and it should be verified as well. How you can do the verify? Just click on the three dots and hit the verify section. It will ask you under which section you want to verify that, and once you are selecting the right selections or right information, you just need to hit the verify button, and it will tell you if record is not present, and if record is present, it will also give you the information whether it is verified or not. You can This is how you can add and check the verification of any existing domain. Once that is done, you need to go in the SSL certificate. SSL certificate you need to manage, as that is a self-paced service. A customer has to manage this. So you can create your SSL certificate and you can add that. Certificate should be either DV format or OV/EV format. Generally, we go with customer managed OV and EV format. You need to provide all the information related to your certificate, and once that is done, just save it. Once that information you have provided entry, you can see in your list, and once that is valid, you can just ready with your SSL certificate. If SSL certificate is having any of the challenge, the status will never turn to the valid. Once we are done with the domain creation and SSL certificate creations, we need to map it. Under the domain mapping, you can go ahead and create a mapping for that. How we can do that? You just click on the add button, as we have created a certificate which is managing on the Adobe Managed CDN or Customer Managed CDN based on your particular requirement. uh, you can go ahead with that. Now you select, for example, I'm going with the Adobe Managed CDN. In that case, I need to select the origin. Origin will be in which environment I want to connect with. So any environment I can pick, and after that, either it could be mapped with the preview or published here. Generally, we connect with the published here, and however, preview tier is also available if you want to access it through a particular domain name. Now, when we created the domain, a new entry on the domain settings, those will be available here. You can select any of the entry. Once that is that you are going to select, after that you can select the certificate that you have already added under the SSL certificate. Once you are mapped with all the configuration, just hit the save button. Entry will be appearing on the overall list, and once that is available, your domain is ready to use. You can hit your domain and those content will be served from a particular environment. tier. So that is how you can leverage these three configuration in order to create your own domain through your managed certificate and a particular custom domain name. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thank you for watching, and please do subscribe and like my channel.